Hey everyone, today we are making an easy Indian prawn curry recipe. It's packed with flavor and will be ready in under 30 minutes and perfect for any days that you crave for a special meal. So next time whenever you can get your hands on prawns, do try this recipe out and I'm sure you'll love it. It's a beginner friendly recipe too, so let's get cooking. Step 1 is marinating the prawns. Here I have around 1 kg of prawns and I'll be marinating it with half a teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric and the juice of 1 whole lime. You could use some vinegar if you don't have lime or lemon. Mix it all really well and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes till we prepare the masala. Now step 2 is making the masala paste for the curry. In a pan, take some oil or ghee or butter. Add some whole garam masalas that you have. I have added 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon stick. Now add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 3 teaspoons of whole coriander seeds. Now fry them all on a very low flame. Add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 whole onions. You don't have to chop anything finely as we will be making a paste out of it. Fry the onions for a few seconds. Then add 4 to 5 green chilies. You could adjust the chilies as per your spice tolerance. 4 to 5 chilies will not be much spicy. Add 1 whole tomato. Add some salt so that everything cooks faster. Add a teaspoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas if you have it. I'll mention all the ingredients in the description section below. I missed the clip of adding coriander leaves and mint leaves here. I have added half a cup of coriander leaves and 10 to 12 mint leaves here. I apologize for the inconvenience caused. Mix them all for a few seconds. Then add 8 to 10 cashews. You can add more if you feel. It will enhance the flavors and make it more creamy. You can also add some freshly grated coconut if you want more of the curry. If you want it to be like a gravy, then no need to add coconut. Fry them all for a minute or so and then switch off the gas. Let them all cool down. After it gets cooled down, put everything into a blender, add some water and make a smooth paste out of it. The masala paste is ready here. Step 3 and the final step is making the prawns curry. In the same pan, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee or oil or butter. Add a small piece of cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 small onion finely chopped. Now mix the onions with the ghee and let it turn light brown in color. Now add a sprig of curry leaves. Mix it all well. Then add the prepared masala paste and add some water, some salt and mix them all well. Be mindful of the salt because we have added salt while marinating the prawns and also while frying the ingredients. Mix it all well with the ghee. Now add a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cover and cook for a minimum of 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Keep stirring it occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now after 8 to 10 minutes, add the marinated prawns to it and mix it well. Check for salt and add more if required and then cover and cook on a medium flame for 7 to 10 minutes till the prawns get cooked completely. If you're using the smaller sized prawns, then it might get cooked faster. In the end, I'm garnishing it with some kasuri methi. You can also add some coriander leaves. And this simple creamy masala prawns curry is ready to be savored with delight. If you want more of the gravy, then consider adding some coconut milk towards the end or add some freshly grated coconut while frying the ingredients. You can customize it as per your requirements. Trust me, this meal is super satisfying, so go for it. Let me know in the comment section about your doubts and opinions. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.